In this video, we will see how to create a digital notebook using Canva. When you search on Google A4 notebook, you can see here on Amazon notebooks and you can sell them after creating those using Canva. So let's see how to create digital notebook using Canva. So let's see the steps. So for this, in the template search box, search for A4. Click on create blank. Click on elements. In the search box, search for floral background. Click on graphics and you can select among these, like let's select this one. Duplicate this and now group them. Duplicate and paste them like this to the whole page. Now click on elements and click on shapes. Let's select this shape. And now increase its width like this. And place it here. Now click on color. Change its background color to white. Now select this box. And click here on 3 lines. You can increase stroke weight and from here border. Now click on text. Click on add a heading. Let's add heading and change its font like Elgria. Now reduce its size and place it above this box. So it will look like this. Now click on elements. In the search box, search for motivational quotes. Let's select this one. Increase its size. From here change background color to black, or you can select this one. Now add another page. Click on elements, shapes. In the search box, search for line. Let's select this line. Increase its length from both ends. Now click here on 3 lines. Now reduce stroke weight to 1. Let's place this line to the top side. Let's duplicate this. Now duplicate it like this multiple times up to the length of the page like this. Now click on elements in search box. Search for yellow butterfly. Click on graphics. Let's select this one. Reduce its size. Let's place it here. Now in search box, search for yellow flower. Let's select this one. Click on flip horizontal. Reduce its size and place it here. In this way, you can add more pages or duplicate the pages like this. So it will look like this. Now click on download. From here, select PDF standard and click on all pages, done, and then click on download. Notebook in PDF form will be downloaded. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.